Now by using sine and cosine formula, that is addition formula, we can create some important result. As we will use here addition formula, we have to find the value of sine pi over 12. So we can see that here it is pi and here we can see it is 4 into 3. So we can see pi can be written as 4 pi minus 3 pi over 12. So we can also rewrite as sine pi over 3 minus pi over 4, that is sine A minus B. So it becomes sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So by substituting the value of sine pi by 3, sine pi by 4, cos pi by 3, cos pi by 4, we get under root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2, that is the value of sine pi by 4. 1 by root 2 is the value of sine pi by 4, 1 by root 2 is the value of cos pi by 4, sine pi by 3 is under root 3 by 2, cos pi by 3 is half. So we will solve it, we will get under root 3 minus 1 over 2 under root 2. So to make the denominator free from irrational number, we will multiply and divide by root 2. Then we will get under root 6 minus under root 2 over 2 into 2, 4. Therefore, sine pi over 12 is equal to under root 6 minus under root 4 over 4. So this is the value of sine pi over 12. Similarly, we have to find the value of cos pi over 12. So again, by using the same concept, it can be rewritten as cos pi by 3 minus cos minus pi by 4, that is cos alpha minus beta. So cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. So cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, cos pi by 4 1 by root 2, sin pi by 3 is under root 3 by 2 and sin pi by 4 is 1 over root 2. So we get 1 plus under root 3 over 2 root 2. So to make the denominator free from irrational numbers, we have to multiply and divide by root 2. So we get root 2 plus root 6 over 4. So the value of cos 5 pi by 12 is cos pi by 12 is not 5 pi by cos pi by 12 is under root 6 plus under root 2 over 4. By using these two values, we can find the another value such that if we have to find sine 5 pi over 12, that is sine 6 pi minus pi over 12. So we get sine 6 pi over 12, that is pi by 2 minus pi over 12. Then sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. It is cos pi by 12. So the value of cos pi by 12 is under root 6 plus under root 2 over 4. So this is the value of sine 5 pi by 12. Similarly, we can find cos 5 pi by 12, that is cos 6 pi minus pi over 12, that is cos pi by 2 minus pi by 12. So by using the quadratic of theorem 1, cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. So it is sin pi by 12, whose values is under root 6 minus under root 2 over 4. So by using these values, we can find such type of another value. So addition formula plays very important role to find the very typical values of sine and cosine function. Now the next important result is whose first part is product of sine alpha plus beta into sine alpha minus beta is equal to sine square alpha minus sine square beta, which is further equal to cos square beta minus cos square alpha. That is in the term of cos and sine function. So the proof is, or we can say solution is, as on the left hand side we have sine alpha plus beta into sine alpha minus beta. So we will write the formula of sine alpha plus beta, that is sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta into sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. So we get a plus b, a minus b, that is sine square cos square beta, that is a square, and b square is cos square alpha into sine square beta, that is a square minus b square. So we have to convert whole answer in sine form first of all. So we can change by using the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. Here theta is beta. And here it becomes 1 minus sine square alpha into sine square beta. So on multiplying we get sine square alpha minus sine square alpha into sine square beta, and on multiplying of this minus sine square beta plus sine square alpha into sine square beta. So we get sine square alpha minus sine square beta. These terms are equal and opposite. So this is the first result. Now again changing sine square by 1 minus cos square alpha and sine square beta by 1 minus cos square beta to get the result in cos form. So we get 1 minus cos square alpha minus 1 plus cos square beta. That is 1 and 1 are cancel out. So we get cos square beta minus cos square alpha. Hence we get, that is sine alpha plus beta into sine alpha minus beta is equal to sine square alpha minus sine square beta is equal to cos square beta minus cos square alpha. So this is the result which we get by using the addition formula for sine and cosine, or using the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta. So the next result is cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos square alpha minus sine square beta is equal to cos square beta minus sine square alpha. So again taking the left hand side, that is cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta, as cos alpha plus beta is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta into cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. So on multiplying we get, that is a plus b, a minus b, that is a square, that is cos square alpha cos square beta, and b square, that is sin square alpha into sin square beta. So cos square alpha is 1 minus sin square alpha into cos square beta, and sin square alpha as it is, that is changing to 1 minus, that is we have 1 minus sin square means same, because in this step we have sin square and cos square, so we have to change sin square. So it becomes 1 minus cos square beta. So all over we get cos square beta minus sin square alpha into cos square beta minus sin square alpha plus sin square alpha into cos square beta. So we get the result, that is cos square beta minus sin square alpha. And also we get the another form, that is as we have cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos square beta minus sin square alpha. So convert cos square beta is 1 minus sin square beta and sin square alpha is 1 minus cos square alpha. So we get 1 minus sin square beta minus 1 plus cos square alpha. So we get cos square alpha minus sin square beta. So we get all over cos of alpha plus beta into cos of alpha minus beta is equal to cos square alpha minus sin square beta. So this is a result we get, and also cos square beta minus sin square alpha. So we get the following result by doing this. So we can use such type of formula just as we have cos of 60 degree minus 30 degree, cos of 60 degree plus 30 degree, then we get cos square 60 degree minus sin square 30 degree, then we will get the required result. So these formulas are developed by using the addition formula.